Welcome back to our channel. The $75 million mega mansion Tranquility Estate Zephyr Cove is a community in Douglas County, Nevada, and a census-designated place. At the time of the 2010 census, the town had a population of 565 people. It was previously part of the Zephyr Cove Round Hill Village CDP until 2010. The Washoe tribe of Native Americans lived in the area before Zephyr Cove was founded. Carson and John Fremont were the first Anglo-American pioneers to arrive in the area in 1844. Anglo-Americans began to settle in the area around the hamlet in 1862. The settlement was given the name Zephyr Cove after the Washoe Zephyr. Since 1930, a post office known as Zephyr Cove has been in existence. The post office's name popularized the phrase, and it subsequently became the community's moniker. Zephyr Cove's Tranquility, a beautiful tribute to wealth and mountain living that was once dubbed the $100 million mansion in the pages of a magazine, is back on the market for $75 million. With 210 acres, the property is one of the largest private properties in the Lake Tahoe Basin. Lake Tahoe is a big freshwater lake in the United States Sierra Nevada. It spans the state line between California and Nevada, west of Carson City, at 6,225 feet. Lake Tahoe is the largest alpine lake in North America, second only to the 5 Great Lakes in terms of volume. It is the second deepest lake in the United States, after Crater Lake in Oregon, which is 1,645 feet deep. The lake was developed as part of the Lake Tahoe Basin about 2 million years ago, and its current extent was molded throughout the ice ages. It's noted for its crystal clear water and panoramic views of the surrounding mountains on all sides. Lake Tahoe, or simply Tahoe, is the name given to the area surrounding the lake. More than 75% of the lake's watershed is national forest land, being the Lake Tahoe Basin Management Unit of the United States Forest Service. This property was previously owned by the Bourne family, who made their fortune from the Singer Sewing Company, and then by longtime Las Vegas performer Wayne Newton. Falcon Capital, a South Shore developer, bought the land from Newton in a bankruptcy transaction for $2.51 million. And Joel Horowitz, a co-founder of the Tommy Hilfiger fashion label, bought it for $4.5 million in December 1996 and finished the house in 2000. Its $100 million price tag challenged Donald Trump's and Saudi Prince Bandar bin Sultan's mansions as the most expensive single-family residences in U.S. history in 2007. In addition to its Lake Tahoe shoreline location, it stands on a private lake called Tranquility. Tranquility, it goes without saying, is well-heeled. Interesting thing is, tranquility is the property or state of being calm, quiet, and free of worry. The term tranquility appears in a variety of texts, ranging from Buddhist religious writings, where the term passaddhi refers to body, mind, and consciousness tranquility on the path to enlightenment, to a variety of policy and planning guidance documents, where the word's interpretation is typically linked to engagement with the natural environment. The company's line of business includes providing professional architectural services, a reproduction of the Titanic's grand staircase, marble floors inspired by the New York Public Library, and a cigar lounge in the manner of New York City's St. Regis Hotel are among the other high-end attractions. Popcorn and milkshake machines are available in a 19-seat private movie theater. The conservatory, Adirondack-style guest lodgings, caretaker's quarters, a log art studio on the shores of Lake Tranquility, and a wood-framed and steel-trussed basketball facility are among the 7 outbuildings beyond the Golden Walls of Tranquility. A 3,500-square-foot golf course with 2 par 3 holes awaits golfers outside. Most other high-end Tahoe houses would be wiped worthless by a $25 million markdown. But Tranquility is merely a reflection of the previous real estate market, according to Weber. Hence, Joel Horowitz listed it for $125 million at first, then reduced the price to $100 million, and finally to $75 million. The magnificent stone main house has approximately 27,000 square feet of living space, including 9 bedrooms, 14 full and 5 half bathrooms, a grand staircase with domed ceiling that is an exact replica of the one built on the Titanic, formal living and dining rooms, massive 2-story great room, gourmet kitchen, family room, 2-story billiards room, cigar lounge modeled after New York's famed Regis Hotel, 3,200 bottle wine cellar, home theater, indoor swimming pool with Wi-Fi. Regis Hotels and Resorts is a luxury hotel. All these things make the property one of the best houses in the world one can buy.